haven't heard of Aggreko and then you learn about Aggreko, you'll start seeing us everywhere.
The Aggreko culture that we live and breathe every day is a demonstration of be innovative, be expert, be together and be dynamic. We do not stand still.
For me personally, I feel proud that we are helping, making a difference around the world.
I cannot imagine another job for me.
Hi, my name is Sonia Finlayson and I'm the Director of Manufacturing for Aggreko. Aggreko is a global company who provides temporary power solutions for their customers. That can range from major events to responses to extreme weather conditions, or to provide temporary power in parts of the world that cannot access what we traditionally can do with the grids. Aggreko has always been the world leader in temporary power. And as the energy transition is happening across the globe today, it's important that we retain that leading position. And so we, like others, are exploring all the new technologies and incorporating them into our organisation. It's so exciting. We are dealing now with the accessing battery storage, the use of solar, tapping into what we have in the wind, but also now we're looking at products to deal with hydrogen fuel cells. I mean, such an exciting period for us to be as creative as we want to be, but we have to think ultimately of delivering something better and different for the customer. As a person who loved science in school, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to be, but I chose engineering. I have never regretted that decision and the access and opportunities that's presented to me through my life. I've always believed that for every opportunity I've been asked, I just keep saying yes, I'll try that. And I believe that the apprenticeship programs and other types of programs around that we get that balance of learning and business opportunity is definitely the best way to learn. And I welcome as many people with a passion for a little bit of science to just come on in and try it. I really believe in people development and talent coming through, as I'm a product of that myself. And I can't wait for our apprentices to share a little bit of an insight into their journey.
Throughout school, my favourite subjects have been physics and maths and engineering orientated, so it's just something I've always been interested in, and I think Aggreko was the perfect place. I had to go through an interview process to get into Aggreko. Learning in the workplaces went well, because it's been a big change, just coming straight from school to here. Learning in the workplace, learning from other people on the job instead of sitting in a classroom, all day it's been really enjoyable. I applied online to the Aggreko Engineering Apprenticeship program. It's followed an interview phase. I had to submit my CV and then I had to do testing before I came. Big change coming from school when learning from teachers sitting down all day to being in gear and working hands on, but it's been really good. I'd like to travel to as many places as possible. Just travel all over the world and use the skills and different stuff I've learned from an Aggreko and in the workplace and put them to use.
I've recently just finished my apprenticeship here. I'm currently working in the panel shop and I've just finished building a QSC60 gap panel. At school I really enjoyed maths and physics, and that's why I decided to come into engineering. One of the best things about working here is the opportunity to travel, and last year I supported the Reading Festival.
Hi, I'm currently working in the panel shop building a QSC60 GCP. The reason I wanted to get into this profession is because I had enjoyment for maths and physics through school, which led me to want to become an electrical engineer. My biggest challenge so far has been working in the test department, working with live equipment. The best bit about working for Aggreko is the opportunity to travel, which we currently had working in Dubai, and hope to get more opportunities soon.
As inspiring engineers, it's important that we give you a problem to solve. And so our problem to you is we are completely open to some creative solutions for alternative energy sources and for our temporary power service. So, whether you or you with a group of friends want to have a think and post us in some ideas, the details will be at the end.